The Alex Fraser Group has a number of facets to the business. There is demolition and there is asphalt, but the main part of the business is concrete recycling, and it's been that way for the last 25, 30 years. 5 years ago, the Alex Fraser Group was partially purchased by John Swire and Sons, and John Swire and Sons over the period of the last 4 to 5 years have been injecting capital into the company and growing the company. In the same process, they've been acquiring the rest of the company, and the business was ready to grow with a lot of road projects around underway.
We were using some older systems that were kind of groaning under the load, really. It was a system that probably worked where we were, but for a company that wanted to grow, it wasn't where we needed to be at all.
It was going to be impossible to grow the business based on the current system. The information that was being stored by the business was disparate. The payroll system was separate from the finance system, which is separate from the weighbridge system.
We were kind of throwing transactions into the system and then checking them. We would previously not quite know what was happening in our business until about halfway through the month afterwards.
I was tasked with resolving the situation where the weighbridges had antiquated systems.
The weighbridge system wasn't integrated with our general ledger, and to the point where for a while we were posting discs, physical discs, back from some of our sites back to here. So not only were the systems not connected, there was no IT connection between the sites either.
We needed to have a company that we could trust to produce a system that was going to meet our needs and enable us the flexibility that we needed in the weighbridge to perform the functions that we do on a daily basis. And Fenwick were very, very quick to understand those requirements. The solution offered by Fenwick, which was an integrated solution, was what we were after.
Integrated was the way to go. We want a system where the weighbridge system and the general ledger system is the same.
The system has enabled us to get all of the data from the different weighbridges, not only in Victoria but also in our Queensland location, all into our back-end database. The savings in the weighbridge have just been enormous, and the ability then to reduce the number of errors would easily be somewhere in the vicinity of 75% at the weighbridge. And the time spent to do billing, it's basically saved our business in the course of a single month, easily over a week of people's time across about 6 or 7 people. Now we're in a situation where the technology is able to support the business. I have and I will continue to recommend the Fenwick Software team to other customers.
Good project management, good products, and they've done a lot of this stuff before for lots of other people.
The ability to scale is there. We've now enabled the business to scale. We could add another 3 sites tomorrow with very, very little effort. The back end of our system is capable of handling 2-3 times the amount of volume that we have right now, and then it's only a matter of adding hardware to enable us to add another doubling or tripling of that sort of size. So the business is ready to grow. This could never ever be done before prior to the implementation of the system.